Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Hotmail or Outlook inbox is constantly filling up with spam and unwanted emails, this video is going to be your lifesaver. Today, I'll show you the simple, effective, and updated method to mark emails as junk in Hotmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your inbox clean, organized, and spam-free. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. Click on the sign-in button, then enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage where all your messages appear. Now, go to your inbox from the left sidebar. You'll see all your recent emails here. Find the message that looks suspicious, spammy, or just plain unwanted. Click on that email once to select it. Don't open it, just select it. Now, here comes the trick. Look at the top menu bar. You'll see a few options like delete, archive, and move to. Click on move to, and from the drop-down list, select junk email. The moment you do that, Outlook will instantly move that message to your junk folder. And here's the best part. Outlook's smart filter will start learning from your action. So every time you mark something as junk, it improves its spam detection for the future. This means fewer annoying messages in your inbox, better organization, and more focus on the emails that actually matter to you. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've taught Outlook to keep your inbox clean and smarter than ever. If this quick guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and share this video with someone who's drowning in spam emails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.